Hey there, tech nerds. Ever wonder how your phone seems to know what you want before you even ask? Or how search engines find exactly what you're looking for? It's not magic, it's AI, artificial intelligence. Let's explore what that means and how we can use it wisely. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's about teaching computers to do tasks that usually require human intelligence, like learning and problem solving. Think of AI as something humans team up with to tackle all kinds of challenges. When you chat with a voice assistant or get suggestions from a recommendation system, you're working with AI in action. There are different kinds of AI. One common type is called narrow AI. These tools are very good at specific tasks. For example, a chess-playing AI can be a master at chess, but can't do other things like make a peanut butter sandwich. Tools like voice assistants or recommendation algorithms fall into this category. Some people dream of general AI, which would be AI that can think and learn like humans. This kind of AI would be able to handle almost any task a human can do. While researchers are working on this, it's still a big challenge and it doesn't exist yet. There's also the concept of superintelligence, where AI would surpass human intelligence. This is still theoretical. It's a future we're chasing. AI stays in our hands, but how we use it affects everything. AI can be used in many ways. They can help us find information, organize our tasks, or even teach us new things. They can assist scientists in research and help with complex problem solving. But AI isn't good or bad on its own. It's about how we use it. Ever feel creeped out, like it knows too much? That's because human developers decide what it tracks. Your chats, your likes, even your voice. It can sync with you, feel like a teammate, but we've got to watch who's tweaking the dials. It's not sneaking around. Human developers are handing it the map to you. Sometimes, people use that power to help, like finding cool videos. Other times, they push it too far, like guessing stuff you didn't want it to know. AI is a helper, but only if humans stay the boss. It doesn't dream up ideas. It follows what we code and feed it. Picture it as a super smart robot assistant. We say help with homework or play a tune, and it's on it. But here's the catch. If we're not paying attention, someone could steer it to mess with us, like tricking you into trusting it too much. That's why we gotta understand how it works. To use it smart, keep the reins, and not get tangled in a sneaky trap. We're in charge, so let's keep it that way. So, AI isn't something to be afraid of, but it's something to understand. AI can help us, but it's crucial to remember that we need to use it thoughtfully and ethically. Keep asking questions and keep learning. Remember, understanding AI helps us use it responsibly. AI is powerful, but human judgment and ethical considerations are essential. Let's explore how we can work with AI to build a better future together.